Hi guys, thank you for watching this video. So FX High's channel is where I will be posting my analysis and contents so that I hope that it can help you all in trading, especially the beginners. So if you guys like the content, you guys like my analysis, please hit the like button and subscribe. So today we'll be talking about a very interesting pair, which is gold. I think a lot of people like gold, right? So yeah, so today we'll start by talking about gold. So first of all, we'll always look at the daily chart. It depends on what kind of trader you are. You know, you're a swing trader, you're a scalper, any sorts of traders. So first of all, we always look at the daily chart, or also we can also look at the weekly chart. Well, if you are aiming for a longer duration, a longer term, you can always look at the weekly chart or the daily chart to figure out where the actual trend is, and support and resistance is the basics. See? So but we won't be diving into the weekly, we'll be looking more on the daily chart. So in daily chart, as you all can see, from the 20th March, it has been rallying up and up and up, and it just recently broke a higher high. So it's a good news, but looking at the chart, it seems that like the trend is depleting. It's running out. The bullishness is running out. Okay, so as you guys can see, it comes up here, then it consolidate for a period of time before it goes up again. But if you guys plot trend lines and support resistance, you can roughly tell that it's kind of like slowing down. You know, the momentum is slowing down. So could this be a sign of reversal, or could this just be a false pattern? See, so in here, okay, let me just dive to 4 hours chart. So in 4 hours chart, as you can see, it's been a good rally, goes up, okay, but it seems to be in this 4 hours chart, it seems to be stuck. It seems to be stuck at this area. See, so the question is, will it be continuing the trend by going up, or will it come down back, break the support and go lower? So this is something we won't know, but we'll try our best to always predict the right trend. So as you can see, right, actually it has already crossed a level, the level of resistance that it was stuck probably in a few hours ago. So but we always have to wait for the candle to close before we can determine any sorts of breakout. Okay, now we'll be looking at the hourly chart, which is H1 chart, which means one candle represents an hour. So in here we can see that there's a lot of consolidation. There is consolidation, and there's consolidation. So we can roughly recognize this pattern where after consolidation it will cause a false breakout of this consolidation box, and then it will goes the opposite. It will return back to the box and goes to the opposite direction. It's the same case here. Okay, it breaks out of the consolidation box, and then it return back where it is, and it goes the opposite direction of where it false breakout to. Okay, so this is one of the strategies you guys can look up for it. And yeah, so the question is, where would gold be expected to go in the next few days or weeks? Okay, so we can see that it's respecting the trend line from the bigger time frame, and now this is the live reading. So it's actually, it has broken through this point here. It has broken through this resistance here, and we'll wait. Most probably we have to wait for it to at least have a dip. And what do I mean by dip? Let me take a snapshot real quick. And all right, so right here, what I would say that it's most likely gonna contest here, this line here, this zone to be exact. It's a zone. So but we shouldn't be rash and jump into the momentum, without thinking, because they will always have a pullback. Okay, they'll always have a pullback before continue. That is a healthy momentum. See, they will always have a pullback before it continues its trend. But in gold, sometimes it's hard to predict this. It's hard. There are times where they don't have a pullback. In case like this, you can see. In case like this, you can see they just keep going and keep going and keep going. So it's up to your own risk. Okay, what I will always do is that I will always wait for a pullback, okay, to see if it's actually uh, a healthy momentum, I would say, a good trend. So wait for it to pull back. I think it's around this point. Okay, it's around this point where you should be looking at before it goes up back again. So if it actually breaks through one of this, it'll most likely gonna be here, reaching here at around more than, I think it's around 1789. Okay, so if when it pull back, if it actually breaks out through this point, this support, resistance turn support, well, it's most likely it will fall right till here. Okay, so I guess that's it for our goal. And please follow proper money management, and always use your own strategy, because don't rely on analysis given by others. Use your proven trading strategy. And that's the reason why I'm making this analysis is as a guide to people who are new in trading. Okay, so I think this is it for gold. Okay, so if you have watched my video for GBP, JPY, GJ, okay, it's in the previous video. It was a rather short and not much details video because I was in a rush in making it, but I promise you I'll edit it better, and hope you guys like the content. Okay, so in GJ I actually predicted that this part here, well, I believed I analyzed that it might come out again, come out and probably form a double top, but in this current situation we'll wait to see if it actually break through this level. So yeah, right now it's difficult to tell, and previously when I made the video yesterday it was around this point here. It's around 134, yeah, and when it opens, the market opens, I jump into a trade going for long. Okay, my TP was around here, say 134 point around how many pips, 40 pips, around 40 pips profit. And the risk to reward ratio I used is 1.48. I have always tried my best to reduce my risk to reward, increase the risk to reward ratio. Yeah, so right now, if you guys saw my video before, it gives you a good analysis right here. Okay, the part, if you are a very active trader, you will probably jump into a short trade here, but now that it's going up to retest the resistance, I personally feel that it may break through this resistance. See, yes, it may break through, and what you will be looking for the next take profit point would be around here, or here. Okay, so anyways guys, just wait for the breakout before you jump into any conclusion, any trades. So it's risky because you never know where the market is going to go, So yeah, if you guys haven't watched the previous video, do check them out, because it's proven right here, real-time data. And yeah, so I think that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, if you enjoy my content and you wish to have more analysis in the future, please hit the like button and subscribe. Maybe leave a comment on what pairs you want, or but please excuse my bad editing, my bad voiceover, because this is my first time making a video, and the purpose of me making this video is to help provide a guide to beginner traders out there. So I hope you guys enjoy, and that's it from me. Thank you.